Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I want to tell you how to insert SIM card and micro SD card. Guys, you have bought this new phone and you don't know where to put your SIM card and SD card in it. So don't worry, I will be completely guiding you in this video. First of all, you need a SIM ejector pin to remove the SIM slot, which is provided inside your mobile box. Take it out from the box. Then you will see two holes on the bottom left side of your phone. One is the microphone hole and other is the SIM hole. Do not insert the ejector pin into the microphone hole by mistake. Insert it into the SIM hole and push. Then the SIM slot will come out slightly. If it does not come, you have to push a little harder. Pull out the slot completely by hand once it's a little bit out. Guys, it is a dual SIM slot. In this slot, you can install two nano SIM on both sides. There is no micro SD card slot. In this way, two nano SIM cards should be set on the both sides and the metal part of the SIM card should be on the upper side. Now two SIM are set in the SIM slot. If you want to remove the SIM card from it, gently hit the SIM slot. After that, one SIM will come out. Then you can remove the second SIM card. Friends, this way you can insert and remove the SIM card in SIM slot. If you need an additional storage, you can use Google Drive, pen drive or SSD storage. After that, I reinserted two SIM cards into the slot. SIM 1 will be placed at the top and SIM 2 at the bottom. Now place the SIM slot with the face to screen text upward and slowly insert into your phone. After SIM installation is done, it will take some time to catch the network signal. After that, open the phone settings. Then click on mobile network. In the network settings, you will see an interface like this in front of you. Here you can select your preferred SIM card for phone call and internet usage. If you keep the default option for calling, then a pop-up will appear every time you make a call, whether it's to SIM 1 or SIM 2. You can set direct SIM 1 or SIM 2 for phone calls. Similarly, you can also select SIM 1 or SIM 2 for internet usage. Friends, I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative video.